Hey y'all! Welcome back to the Pink Envelope. We are doing a Happily haul. Happily Day Box we've had a subscription to for
a very long time. Multiple years.
A very long time.
2-3 years?
I should have looked it up before we got on here. We filmed our first one like 2 years ago and showed a whole date. Then about a year later, which would be a year ago, we showed a whole date. So instead of showing you guys a whole beginning to end date, we're gonna show you what comes in an average of boxes. So we have 4 different boxes here. So Happily is a monthly subscription box. It's $39.99 and they do offer prepaid discounts. So if you subscribe for 6 months, the box is cheaper per month. They do ship in the US only. And if you want to subscribe, you can use code PINKENVELOPE and you get 50% off your first box. I rarely get coupon codes that high, so it's always really exciting when I do get them. So it could be a really cool gift for Valentine's. Y'all can try it out for a Valentine's gift. Let's show them this one. I can share some more later.
All right, so this one is...
Does it tell you secrets? So on the beginning of it, on top, it has this card. It reveals nothing, and it allows the two of you to gather everything you need for your date and have it waiting so that we sit together. Normally, I grab and do all this.
Yeah, okay.
And so this is an example of what you can expect to see. They just have like basic stuff that you would have around the house.
Okay, so welcome to your date. On this date, you'll be taking a trip to Greece. No passport required or COVID test.
Yeah, for real.
You'll get your date kicked off with a few conversation starters, then bake some delicious homemade pita bread. Afterwards, you'll have a little competition playing a game that dates back to ancient Greece. Ooh, is that like Naked Olympics?
You would hope for Naked
Olympics. Yeah, that sounds really good.
Actually, this box would have Naked Olympics in it.
It would. They've had some spicy ones.
Super fun stuff.
Really good. Finally, you'll finish your date by exploring some of the most romantic words in the Greek language. It's time for your date, all right?
And then on here is the date guide, and it tells you like step by step with each one. So the top says set the mood, start your Spotify playlist. Did we pull the Spotify card yet? Oh, there it is.
There it is, yeah.
Yeah, so you log in right here and do the Spotify playlist to get your background music going. And then it says make the Mediterranean style pita bread and tzatziki sauce. And that's what this guy is. Tzatziki. Tzatziki.
They have all the ingredients you need to make the tzatziki.
I think it's tzatziki.
Or is the Z silent?
I don't know.
Okay.
They'll tell us.
But you'll need some things, and that's what it tells you here, what you'll need for the...
So in here it has the active yeast, the flour, and everything you need to make like the ingredients, water, sugar, flour, salt. Actually, they gave you flour. So water, salt. It's like really basic things. A bowl. All the instructions on how to make it. What is this? Oh, and then how to make sauce. So we have the bread and the sauce. So far, we have not baked or made one thing we didn't absolutely love.
Yeah, they're all really good. Normally they're like a dessert or something, but this makes sense to have the thing like
this. Well, we've had drinks.
That's true. We've had cocktails, yeah.
Yeah, and everything has been really, really great. I don't know about this because it has yeast and everything in it. We're actually baking a bread, but most of the time, they're like very aware. They're like vegan or gluten-free. I feel like this might be actually the first non-gluten-free thing we've gotten actually.
Yeah.
So I like that because it really is accommodating to most people's diet. So you get to bake the bread and make the sauce. And the great thing about it is if you're tired and you're like, I don't want to bake, just don't do that part. It's no big deal. And then next it says, let's get talking. After you've made your pita snack, spend some time chatting over our curated conversations. So on the conversation starters, it says, if you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Australia.
Australia?
Yep, never been to Australia.
Belize.
Belize. I've been to Belize. I did a wedding there.
Are you bragging?
I am. I'm travel bragging.
Travel bragging? I'm jealous it's working. I want to go to Belize. I forgot about that.
I know. It was fun.
If you could speak any language, which would you choose? Spanish.
Spanish, yeah. It's so relevant living in San Antonio.
Yeah.
I wish I knew Spanish.
Oh, that would be so nice. And I remember my parents like encouraging me to learn and me being like, meh, I don't want to do that. Okay, so then there's like several questions there. Sometimes they're a little spicy, sometimes they're serious. Obviously, those were a little more serious. What do you have?
The game, I think.
The game. So it says 7 words of love. Did you know that the Greek language has 7 different words for love? That's a lot. Each one has a special meaning, and you're going to explore them. So then that's what's in the card there, and then there's questions on the back.
If you were to choose 3 of these words to describe your relationship, which would they be and why?
Okay, I didn't see
Which
the words.
Greek word describes your partner's love the best? Yeah, okay.
That's cool. So, more things to chat, and for us, we would have a drink. Like, we would have made the bread, and we would have poured a drink, and then we would do these. And then next is game time, which is what I think you have there.
So what's this?
How do you say that?
Oh, this is awesome. It's the Pita. The game it's a Pebble game.
You know what this is?
Yeah, well, I've seen it. I've never played before, but it's with the white and black pebbles. It's a warfare game played in ancient Greece. That's very, very cool. So, came with a board and everything. And you set it down, and you play with the black and white pebbles.
Okay, so it has to tell us how to play. Yeah, it has all the instructions right here. How cool! If we had time, we would play. Like in our other Happily videos that we've done, we did every ounce of every part. And I'm going to link one of those up here. There's a couple of them down below in the description. Go watch those if you want to see a beginning to end. But I just want to deep dive into one box with you. Then I'm going to fly through all of those and show them just what do you get? Like, what do you get?
Yep.
Next on here it says, it's all Greek to me. History class heroes. Here's your time to shine. In this game, you'll test your knowledge of famous Greek words. And then it says share your date. So after you're done, they encourage you to share it on social media. Voila. Pretty quick and easy. I want to dive in and show you all of these boxes as well, just so you can get an idea. But things to note is they have a mobile app now, which I haven't even told you about this.
I haven't seen that.
You plan a date. It'll give you locations for like food or drink or entertainment. And the app also includes, besides recommendations, exclusive offers with people they've partnered with, as well as rewards for planning your date within the app.
Very cool.
That is really cool.
That's
I'm going to download that. Then they have the online shop, which features products like you can buy pass boxes or other things to do. That's really cool. You can hop on there and check it out. They have actual classes, like relationship courses with certified relationship experts. They have whole courses you can go through, and like based on where you think your struggle is, you can hop on and check that out, as well as you can give Happily as a gift. So it's not like you just have to subscribe. You can gift a box to someone. Make sure you hit up the coupon code though, because that really makes it a bang up deal. So if you're watching this and you're like, I need a Valentine's date night idea, or I need a Valentine's gift to give my significant other, that's why I'm dressed in Valentine's, and that's why we're opening the boxes.
Makes it super easy.
Okay, what is this one? We'll go faster through these because I want to show them all. So on top you have the date prep of the items you need to go gather. What do we have? Same old things on top. What's inside? The love song scavenger hunt with questions, how it works, and then it has everything in here. Here is everything you need to play the love scavenger hunt game. Everything you need to do the cookies and cream popcorn and the sweet and salty kettle corn.
Sounds really cool. Like making your own flavored popcorn sounds like I've never done it before.
And then this is roll of the dice game.
Roll your dice to complete cards and collect points. The number in the corner indicates the value of the card, and the rows of dice to be matched are separated by horizontal lines. The player with the most points at the end of the game wins. It's always good to have more dice games.
I was just thinking this would be good with our youngest, who we're trying to teach to add. This would be a great game for her. Let me open this Love is a Game real fast. So in Love is a Game, it has the Risk It All scorecards and then everything to do an in-home scavenger hunt. And you literally have to look for the different things based on the rolling dice and coordinating the numbers. So when you roll the dice, you get a certain number, you have to run to the house to get a certain thing, then you have to bring it back.
Fun.
Or you have to do a certain thing.
Very
but
fun.
You also could get a question. So if you were stranded on an uninhabited island, what 3 things would you take? And so it's part 1 and part 2. So this is another example of a game. What's number 3? We've had popcorn, we've had Greek bread, popcorn scavenger hunt, Greek bread, date prep. Here are a few things you'll need, and it says it there. This one's super colorful.
Looks like it's got dessert in it. Welcome to your date. Today you'll be getting a little crafty. On this date, you'll make some custom art together, create a delicious drink, and try out fun couples only version of Spin the Bottle. That could get interesting.
I told you, they do spicy stuff. So you have your Spotify playlist, your conversation starters, And then your date guide. It says, set the vibe, lemon passion cooler. It is a lemon and passion tea drink you make.
They're so good with their branding and their box. Like, that is so
That's
creative.
really cute. Then it says you make string art. So here's the project. And it has everything in there, little baby hammer and everything.
So to make the lemon passion refresher, you have a passion tea bag, half a cup of sugar. You need to add 1.5 cup water, half a cup fresh lemon juice, and then 16 ounces sparkling water. So it's non-alcoholic.
Oh, that's nice.
It's a mocktail. That's really nice.
That is nice. I mean, you could
really nice.
Also add a splash of your choice. It actually sounds really good. So once again, I love you, and we would have fun doing this. But if you and
Kids
our
would love
oldest did this together, and you're like,
Yeah.
hey, Emma, I want to take you on a date.
Oh, that's a great
Oh my
idea.
gosh, a succulent.
Like a good father-daughter
Yes.
Valentine's date idea.
Yes, you literally make this succulent. Here's what it looks like. Here's the string. You both do it together. I mean, it has everything.
What is this hammer?
It's a little baby hammer.
Oh my gosh, that is
look,
so funny.
You have your baby nails.
Oh my
and
gosh.
you put them in, and then you loop your strings.
The girls would love this. This is a great father-daughter Valentine's Day idea.
Isn't that great? And then at the bottom, it has the Unforgettable Love book and Spinning with Boo, which is a twist on Spin the Bottle, which we would remove from the box before.
So what is Spin the Bottle as a couple? All right. So,
Oh, whoa.
Middle school. Remember all the awkward moments, especially those spin the bottle games? We're putting a different twist on the classic game. So you spin the bottle, you get a big kiss, slow dance. You give me butterflies win, truth or dare. So yeah, it's like it's a couple's spin the bottle.
Give your partner a compliment. Do a big kiss. That's cute.
So it's definitely still PG, PG-13.
Yes.
It's not R-rated.
Until you start scratching things out.
I would definitely modify some
You
of
would
these
totally-
spins.
you would
and
totally modify
write
it.
in little suggestions.
If you're a girl, take off your clothes. That would be the things you would write on there.
Well, no, you start the game that way.
Yeah. And this guy, the Unforgettable Love book, literally goes through and talks about moments of love, like your first date and your most romantic date, funniest story, the date we didn't think would happen. That's actually pretty cute to think back on. We've been married 15 years this year, together over
And
17.
I have a terrible memory.
So that actually would be some interesting stories to resurface that we may or may not want to resurface. Did you ever play Spin the Bottle ever in any grade? No.
Never
I
played
didn't
Spin the
either,
Bottle.
just for the record.
Yeah, so.
Like, and I don't even think of it. There was never even a time where I was like, oh, I need to make that decision. Like, it never even came up.
No.
Is
Wait, yeah.
Is that real?
How many people have played Spin the Bottle?
Or is it only in the movies?
It's definitely
You have to comment below.
Yeah,
and
I'm
tell
kind of
us.
curious.
Yes, for sure, for sure.
Maybe we're just prudes.
Well, I wouldn't say we're wild. We're definitely pretty boring. Something I want to say, I always like to speak very truthfully into my boxes. If you're thinking $39.99, I'm expecting, I don't know, I get some funny comments when I release these videos. These are thought-free, which is the biggest thing for me. I don't know about for you. Like, the planning portion of it's what kind of makes me not go forward with a date most of the time.
Yeah.
So I don't have to plan or do anything. These come in, it reminds us, have we even stopped and had a date? Have you and I even? It's a great reminder. And then we open it and it's just a surprise. It's just fun. And if we like it, we do it. If we don't, we don't. I don't know. I enjoy the box because it's just simple. And if we went out, there's no way we would get out on a date under 40. That would be our cost for babysitting alone. So with these, we can put the girls to bed, or even if they're just, out and about playing, there's just different things we can do, like bake the bread while they're playing outside with friends. As a parent, this is just one of those things. It makes a really easy, fun, unique, you and I would never bake pita bread date night. So I wanted to share that diving in. What is our last one? Ooh!
Relax and reconnect.
Relax and reconnect. Look, yeah, the color scheme, completely different. This one says...
Welcome to your date. It's spa night. On this date, you'll let go of your worries and have a fun, relaxing night with your partner. We'll make a refreshing cucumber and lemon fusion drink. Try out yoga for two. Interesting. and end the night with a fun couple spa. Make sure to spend some time talking over conversation starters to connect with your partner on a deeper level. Very cool.
Spotify playlist. Whoopsies.
And then set the mood card.
Conversation starters. Set the mood card.
Relax set. Let's see what's in the relax set. All right, so we have the cucumber lemon water. So it's just a recipe they sent. There's no actual ingredients included.
Cool.
What are they?
Cucumber, lemon.
Cut half
water.
a cucumber into 1/4-inch slices. Slice a whole lemon. Place cucumber lemon in a pitcher and fill with water. Add ice as desired. Stir for a minute or two. Help the flavors mix. Cucumber and water. Boom. Couples spa night. Aromatherapy.
Oh.
So first we've got...
Yeah, clay mask and massage. Oh, dang. Look at this.
Got aromatherapy shower melts.
Oh, you can just sit them at the shower and they like steam up with, well, eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus and citrus. Do you do them both at the same
Love
time?
shower steamers. Love them.
So it's like a bath bomb for the shower.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're wonderful. Look,
Sounds good.
I don't own one of these, and all the subscription boxes and all the things, I don't own these. So here is the mud, and you mix up your mud, and then you put it on, and you get to do a mud mask,
Oh, man.
which might be interesting with a beard, but I would love it.
And then massage oil.
We should use that.
Yes, that sounds good.
You don't like massages.
I like to give massages.
I know he does like to give massages. I love massages. He likes to give massages. That really works out well. But I would like to know, is that a normal thing that like one part of the group doesn't, like you or your spouse don't like massages? Or are we weird?
I think most people like massages. I think I'm just weird.
Yeah, I have a tendency to agree with that. But I would like to know. Let them tell us. And then we have on here, yoga for 2. You've never done yoga, have you?
Mm-mm.
No. I have. I'm not good at it, which is probably why I should do it, because I go, and then when I get in yoga and I have to be that still, it like literally gives me anxiety. Or I fall asleep. So partner breathing is one, and how to do it. Temple is another, and how to do it. Partner forward hold. So
Yeah, I'm just gonna be honest. I don't think we do the partners yoga thing.
not even that one?
Well, I don't know. Do we have clothes on or no clothes?
I guess we can set our own rules.
Definitely changes my involvement.
Yeah, so this is a great example of, we wouldn't, I can't imagine that we would do these.
No.
It's just not our personalities to do these.
Yeah.
But we would do that.
Yeah. No, actually, this sounds like a ton of fun.
That sounds fun.
Probably do that tonight.
And remember, we used to drink cucumber water and
All the
lemon
time.
water all the time.
It's
why
a
don't
good-
we do that anymore?
It's a good reminder.
It is a good reminder, because it stops us from grabbing soda or something else. Like, whatever happened to that? Okay. So that's Happily. And that's a few of the boxes that just to give you an idea of what they send. If you've tried Happily before, comment below. I like to hear other people's input other than mine, so that if you're looking to subscribe, you can kind of see what the majority thinks about a box. If you want to see a full date from start to beginning, go down below. My descriptions are built for you. They do not have statistics about me. They do not have random links about random things. Everything in that description is going to talk about Happily and how it can help you, like the coupon code and how you can get 50% off your first box. All right. We hope that you have an absolutely amazing day, and we'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.